Hello friends, welcome to Adobe XD video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorials, we understood what is Adobe XD and what is it used for. Then we understood how to create and view Adobe XD document. In this video, we understand Adobe XD user interface. Adobe XD user interface is divided into 5 parts. They are menu bar, document bar, toolbar, canvas area and property inspector. Let's understand. You can see at the top we have menu bar. In the menu bar you find set of menus containing set of commands. We have file menu, edit menu, object menu, plugins menu, view menu, window menu and help menu. Below that we have document bar. In the document bar we have design, prototype, share. In the design mode we design user interface. In the prototype mode we add interactions to the user interface. And by going to share we can share our document, guys. Remember, in the design view we design the user interface for any application. It can be a website or mobile application, etc. In the prototype mode we are going to add interaction, that is user experience. Then we have here device preview. Then we have desktop preview. By clicking on that we can see the preview of our document. And then we have zoom level where we can see our canvas area at different zoom level, guys. Okay, next at the left hand side we have the toolbar where we have set of tools, like we have select tool, rectangle, ellipse tool, we have polygon tool, line tool, pen tool, text tool, artboard tool, zoom tool. And at the bottom we have the layers. You can see in the layers you can find the artboards, you can find the elements which you can manage. That's the layers. Okay, then we have libraries where you can put set of assets which you can reuse. And then we have plugins, there you can manage the plugins, guys. Okay, and in the middle we have canvas area which displays the artboards. Okay, which displays artboards. In the artboard you have the rectangle at present in this current artboard. On the right hand side we have property inspector where you can inspect properties of the selected object and modify. Like I have selected the artboard, it is showing the width of the artboard, height of the artboard, it is showing the fill color. If I want I can change the fill color, that is the background color of the artboard. And if I select the rectangle, it displays the properties of this rectangle. Okay, we can change the width of it, we can change the height of it, we can change the fill color, right? So that is about the inspector, guys, property inspector. Okay, 5 parts of Adobe XD user interface. First, menu bar. Second, document bar. Third, toolbar. Fourth, canvas area. Fifth, property inspector. I hope you guys have clearly understood. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. In the upcoming video tutorials we discuss more about Adobe XD. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.